heather, near the old glen, stands the weathered pulpit where Knox did fen, with sermons of fire and tales of stone. This sacred relic stands alone. The wind carries stories for days long past, of rebels and martyrs, echoes that last. Each word like thunder crossed the loch, from the lips of a preacher old as rock. Oh, the pulpit stands against time's cruel hand, in the heart of the highlands, firm and grand. Knox's voice carved deep in each grain, in the shadows of history's breathes a lasting refrain. Mists of the morning and the twilight side wrap around the pedestal, a muted cry of those who gather with hearts aflame to hear the truth in Knox's name. Beneath the skies where the clansmen roamed, the pulpit remains, its sermons intoned, Scotland's spirit in every chiseled nook, a testament stronger than any book. Oh, the pulpit stands against time's cruel hand, in the heart of the highlands, firm and grand. Knox's voice carved deep in each grain, in the shadows of history's breathes a lasting refrain. Oh, the pulpit stands against time's cruel hand, in the heart of the highlands, firm and grand. Knox's voice carved deep in each grain, in the shadows of history's breathes a lasting refrain. Mists of the morning and the twilight side wrap around the pedestal, a muted cry of those who gathered with hearts aflame to hear the truth in Knox's name.